What does construed mean? Construed means to understand, interpret, or explain the meaning of something in a particular way. In simple words, construed means how someone understands or interprets words, actions, or situations. The word is often used when different people may understand the same thing differently. Construed is commonly used in legal, formal, and everyday English conversations. For example, a statement made by a person can be construed in more than one way depending on how listeners interpret it. If someone makes a joke that sounds serious, it may be construed as criticism instead of humor. In legal language, construed is very important because courts must interpret laws and contracts carefully. Judges often decide how a law should be construed, meaning how its wording should be understood and applied. For example, a contract clause may be construed strictly or broadly depending on legal interpretation. The meaning of something can change depending on context, tone, or intention. That is why communication must be clear to avoid misunderstandings. Construed usually appears in sentences like, "This comment could be construed as offensive." The rule was construed differently by different departments. In grammar, the word comes from the verb construe, which means to analyze or interpret meaning. In simple terms, construed means understood or interpreted in a certain way. Easy way to remember. Construed means how something is understood or explained.